Be strong.
This is how you create an assignment with Kami in Google Classroom. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Classroom in your Chrome browser. Next, you want to go to the class where you're going to create the assignment. And from here, you're going to create the assignment just like you create any other assignment, except for we're going to change one little step. So let's go here to classwork, and we're going to click on Create. Now you'll notice once you have the Kami extension installed in Google Chrome, this is going to be a new option in Google Classroom. And this is also what we're going to select here when we're creating Kami assignments. So let's click on Kami assignment, and let's give it a title. I'm going to call it Practice Kami Assignment. Add some instructions. And I'm going to leave both of these selected here. This, for every assignment that this is selected for, it will give each student instructions on how to use Kami. Here, if you leave this selected, it will give the students the option to open this assignment directly with Kami. I leave that selected as well because it saves the students a step. Now what I want to do is I want to click here on my Google Drive because this is where the assignment is located that I want to give to the students. And here is the assignment that I want to give to the students. So I want to click on it and then click on Select in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, I want to make sure that I have assigned it to a class. Also that if you want to give to individual students, go ahead, that's fine, or just select all, and whether it's published or not. Here, this is also very important. When giving Kami assignments, if you want all students to be able to edit and change it without changing other students' work, make sure that you make a copy for each student. However, if you want all students to edit a document together, this is what you will select here, students share one copy. If you don't want them to make any changes at all, students cannot edit the file. I want all my students to have their own copy so they can each turn in their own individual assignment. So let's go ahead and assign this document to my students. All right. Google Classroom Kami assignment, it has been created. Let's open this in Classroom. And here you'll see that we have the assignment here. This is just the standard document that I had. This option here, this is the Google and Kami instructions for the students. Let me show you what this looks like here. Here's Remote Learning with Kami for Students. It's just a general instruction guide. The students in our system won't have to add the Chrome extension, so they can just skip the first couple steps. We push it out to them so they don't have to add it themselves. But it's just a simple step-by-step instruction on how to get started. And there's even a short tutorial video here at the very end that students have access to if they need help working with Kami. So let's close these and go back here to our Google Classroom. Next, you'll see this option here, Open with Kami. This is the option that your students are going to select when they're editing this document.